Good morning. This is a recording for Sunday, October 19th. The Zen story today is titled The Pawprint That Was Not There. The monk did not touch the tuft of red fur by the hearth, not at first. He let it sit there all morning while he swept the floor, boiled water, and restacked the firewood. Tasks done with the temple's precision, where certainty was a virtue the masters praised. But no matter how many times he passed by, his eyes kept returning to that single curl of fur, too bright, too deliberate, too placed. By midday, he lifted it with the edge of his sleeve, holding it between two fingers as though it might dissolve if he breathed too hard. He placed it on the shelf above the small altar, next to the old bell that hadn't rung in years, a small offering to whatever game was being played. That night, after the lantern refused him again, he let the fire burn low. He sat in the dark, listening to the small sounds of the forest, the faint creak of the cabin's bones, the weight of his own breath in the room. At some hour he could not name, he rose and stirred the cooling ash with the tip of a stick, as if searching for something he had missed. That's when he saw it, a single paw print pressed perfectly in the gray dust. Small, delicate, fox. He stared, time blurring. Proof. Finally, something real, something he could point to, touch, name. But when he woke the next morning and reached to show himself, the ash was smooth again, undisturbed, as though no print had ever been there at all. He stirred the ash once more, slower this time, more careful. Nothing. He knelt back, heart sinking beyond confusion. The next night, after the fire burned down once again, he leaned close to the hearth. A faint rustle stirred outside, and there it was, the same paw print pressed in the ash. He leaned even closer, almost smiling. Caught you, he thought. But when he blinked, just once, the print was gone. No trace, no mark, no proof. He laughed, but there was no humor in it. Just breath and bone and the quiet unraveling of what he thought he knew. He sat back against the wall, staring into the dark hearth, half expecting the paw print to return the moment he closed his eyes. He almost hoped it wouldn't, his breath steadying as he let the need for proof slip. In the forest's hush, a crow tilted its head, watching the fox nose the cabin's edge, scattering ash with a single breath before slipping into the night, amused by the monk who chased its fleeting mark. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to still your body, relaxing. Maybe close your eyes and take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you and the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. When it comes to solving a mystery, do you trust your eyes or your heart? When it comes to solving a mystery, do you trust your eyes or your heart? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. When it comes to solving a mystery, do you trust your eyes or your heart? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.